Hi everyone, this is the machine learning demo, Amazon QuickSight. Let's duplicate the demo. Click on one of your previous dashboards that we created. And in the left, click File, drop down, Save as Analysis, and let's give it a name. This is saving a copy. SaaS-sales analysis dash machine learning. Let's go ahead and save it. You can see that changed up at the top rail. So let's customize the narrative formatting. Here we're in our line chart, we're at the was that period over period. So we want to customize the narrative. And highlight increased by. Click on the text color icon. We want to change it to green. Let's go with that one. Yep, let's click apply. Okay, let's highlight decreased by. Let's change this to red. Let's apply. And you can see every update and changes we make. If you look down at the bottom under preview, it updates the edit. Okay, so there we highlighted period over period, current metric value, and we're just giving it a bold text. So save that, and let's customize forecast computation. So let's maximize this. There's our decreased by that we updated. Okay, so let's choose customize narrative again. And in the computations drop down, click on the pencil, and forecast length, we're going to change that to 6. So that's 6 periods forward. And let's scroll down and save it. Okay, so highlight everything and delete it. You can see the preview screen updated. Before it, we want to type in 6-months forecast and click add computation. We're going to add another forecast computation type. Select the drop down, and we want forecast. See, it's ML powered. Let's click next. Forecast length periods forward into 12 and select add. Okay, highlight everything and let's copy it. We're going to duplicate this, but change 6 months to 12 months. So paste that in. Copy forecast insight time value. Paste that on the top line. Okay, hit enter. Okay. So let's copy that, paste that as well, and get rid of the second 4. Let's bring that down to the second line. So we want a 6-month forecast and also a 12-month forecast. And you can see it updated down in preview. But double click on the forecast metric. So we want to add a number 2 to distinguish between both 6-month and 12-month. So after Forecast Insight, add the number 2 and we're going to click Save. This is our second forecast. And also the same thing for the second one, Save. Okay, click Save. Now let's add a control to selectively display. Okay, so click the parameters icon, click Add. Let's give it a name. Forecast period. Static default value. We're going to enter 6 months. And let's create. Let's close that out. Okay, so on the forecast period, the ellipsis, click on Edit Parameter. Or actually, Add Control, sorry. Click on Add Control. And we'll name it Forecast Period. Select drop down as the style and define specific values. We're going to enter 6-month, 12-month. And check the hide select option, add it. Okay, click on the ellipsis for the period over period. Let's customize the narrative or forecast insights. Sorry. So let's highlight 6-month forecast and delete that. And under parameters drop down, click on the forecast period. Double click on foresight metric value and the insert code drop down, inline if statement, select. Type in this code, forecast period within brackets equals $6-month. Let's save it. Okay, remove the 12-month forecast. So highlight everything in line 2 and click inline if. Let's enter this statement code. Forecast period in brackets equals 12-month. Let's hit save. We're going to have forecast. I'm going to add space. Okay, so that's so click save. We're going to add anomaly detection insight. So at the top menu bar, insert, and click on Add Insight, the drop down. And we want anomaly detection, which is also ML powered. Select. And you can see we have our new autograph down at the bottom. So we're going to add some fields. So to the far left, field selection, let's add country, customer, order date, and sales. Okay, click on the ellipsis order date, and we want to aggregate it by month. Click on the filter, double click segments. In the right arrow, we want to enable custom select visuals. You can see Insight is currently selected automatically. Let's close that. Just double check. Okay, so click on start. Let's just see. Okay, so we want the combinations to be analyzed. Hierarchical is selected. The name is anomaly detection. Okay, let's go back and select all. Okay, in the top contributions, we'll select some fields: contact name, country, and also product. You can see that updated in the bottom right. Okay, let's save it. Now let's maximize this so we can run it. So click on Run Now to run our anomaly detection. And this will take a while, so give it a few minutes. But let's move on and we'll come back to it. So click on the arrow next to line chart. Okay, so contribution analysis within time trends. You can see that updated by country. And now let's go ahead and go back and check the anomalies. So click on the light bulb for Insight, and you can see we have the most two recent anomalies. Total sales for any companies was 5,546 higher, and total sales for electronics was also higher than expected. Okay, so we want to click to a point on the line chart. Let's find one of the spikes. Let's go to September 22nd. There's a spike, so let's click on that and let's get some insight. So scroll down to analysis contributions. So this is the machine learning at work for our business intelligence information. So let's select some fields: country, product. Let's analyze the reasoning behind the spike, the top contributors. So you can see the top country is United Kingdom with the 300% increase. Period over period change. And then South Korea, 412% increase, period over period change. Let's see what else. So as far as products, Finance Hub, Marketing Suite, that's a 519% increase. Wow. Data Smasher. Okay, let's minimize. Let's maximize. So contribution analysis. So click on Explore Anomalies down in the bottom right. Okay, these are our top contributors again, and these are the anomalies for sales on December the 1st. So click Configure. All right, those are our selected fields. And you can see this is for technologies and electronics, but if you look to the far right, you notice the spike. So let's add city, and let's click Analyze to get a new contribution field. So if we scroll down, contact matcher, and you can see city, period over period, you can see Los Angeles with a 3,000+% increase. So let's update that. Sam Lawrence, 47%. Bella Hodges, Sue Miller, countries, product, site analytics, sorry. So this is the machine learning capabilities at work. So let's click back to analysis and Amazon QuickSight to extract data and give you clarity on certain points and certain anomalies. So this is the anomaly detection, and this was our demo. Thanks for watching.